Somebody messaged me some days ago, one of my followers on YouTube, and the person actually said I should talk about this particular app here called Robox Fit. So in this particular video, I'm going to be trying out the app. Let's see, or I'm going to go through the app. Let's see how it actually works, guys. But first thing I want to do right here is for us to go to my Chrome browser and actually search for the app. And the second thing we want to do is for us to actually download the app and see how it actually works. And this is what we want to talk about today. I'm going to be testing it out. Let's see how it goes, what you can do to earn money with this particular app, and if you can actually earn money with this or if it's just a complete waste of time. Anyways, if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. Make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way, guys. Based on the layout of this particular website, they say move and earn crypto, which means you actually take steps to earn money with the app. That is what it's all about. That's why they call it Robox Fit, which means fitness. They say Robox Fit is your new stimulus. To stay active. This app right here is actually available for iOS, for app iPhones, and for Android right here. So they have their currency, which is called Rocks. Let's establish that. How does it work? Number one, earn Rocks. Turn your steps into crypto. Walk or run, fast or slow. Just start and watch your Rocks grow. Wow, this is actually a funny rhyme. This is very, very funny. Let's scroll down. The next one is build a team. Grow the community of fit crypto fans. Wow. Invite friends to train together and earn more rocks. Okay, now this one they say earn interest. Multiply your gains. Send rocks to the wallet and hold it. The more you save, the more you will get. Okay, let me click on the three lines and you can see FAQ. Let's click on FAQ. Getting started. Let's click on getting started. How to create a Robox Fit account. What is rocks? How can I spend it? I think this is very, very important question. Let's click on that. Now they say rocks is a crypto token you can earn in the Roblox ecosystem. Rocks lives on the Solana blockchain and can be exchanged, sent and spent as any other crypto token. You can send it to any wallet supporting the Solana blockchain. So Rocks was listed under the Solana blockchain, you understand, which means they don't pay you here in money, they pay you in their crypto token. So you are the one that will exchange the crypto token to cash later. So let's click on subscription. How to earn more? Let's click on that. Now you can see they say you can take the same amount of steps but earn more. Okay, number one, tap the icon this on the bottom menu. Now choose subscriptions or purchases. Learn more about the difference between a subscription and a purchase. So those are two different things. Okay, and they say choose your speed. Number four, tap the subscribe or pay to complete the purchase. You can spend your Rocks earnings either by subscribing or purchasing boosts. What is the difference? Now let's read that. A purchase is valid for a certain period of time. After the purchase expires, you can continue earning rocks at a basic speed. You can cancel your subscription at any time. Note that a subscription is usually less expensive and more profitable. Okay, so a subscription is less expensive but it's actually more profitable. Let's take this one more time so that we understand better. A purchase is valid for a certain period of time. After the purchase expired, you can continue earning rocks at a basic speed, which is normal. Okay, now you can cancel your subscription at any time. Note that a subscription is usually less expensive and more profitable. Next thing we have to do right here is for us to check out the app on Google Play Store. So let's check out the app right here. This is the app on Google Play Store. The app has 4.1 stars, 1,000 review, and over 100,000 download right here. You can see. And if I scroll down, let's check out reviews. They fix the problem. This is a great app where you can earn and save rocks and enter them in your NC wallet in seconds. Okay, Robox Fit X Robox One are great app. You earn real money and withdraw and withdrawals are processed within few seconds. Wow, this is actually nice reviews. So let's open more reviews. Let's see. The steps aren't counted even remotely accurate on day 2. It's just a step counter. Walking does absolutely nothing. Comparing both apps on a 10 times package, and they both shows the same amount. Therefore, the steps don't do jack. In fact, you don't even gain your money back. Wow, this is heartbroken. Let's check it out on YouTube first. Let's check it out on YouTube. Let's search for the app on YouTube, and let's search for that. These are the results that came out. Robox Fit, move and earn crypto. So let me just go ahead and fast forward this video. Let's see what the person was actually talking about. This is another video right here on YouTube. So we can see this was a Robox Fit. This is also another video on YouTube reviewing this same app right here. I've seen a lot of videos right here on YouTube reviewing this same Roblox app. So far, not much videos have actually talked about this particular app right here called the Robox Fit. But well, I'm actually going to download it and try it. So what I need to do is for me to go ahead and sign up right here, or I sign in. You can see the options available. You can sign in with your Apple account and sign in with your Google account. So let me go with Google account. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on Google. Right here, I actually signed up my account, and let me go ahead and click on open settings, continue. So let me click on continue. They say I should give them permission for them to actually count my steps. This is where you actually see the steps. Your steps will be here, and you're going to see your earnings right here. They say you can see they say previous earnings and so on, history, get my rocks. If you scroll down, you can see they say invite people. At the top right, at the top corner, you're going to see you can send out the currency, you can receive it, and you can also earn interest. The second page right here is your earning history and your steps. This NC wallet, I think, is just like an external wallet where you transfer your rocks from this wallet to your external wallet, then you can stake it inside that external wallet. Now let's see, this one is continue earnings. You can see earn more. They say more options. You have to subscribe or you purchase. So remember, they say subscription is monthly, while the purchase is actually for a period of time, which it can expire. Based on the reviews we got so far, if there is no more benefit, or if there is no additional benefit, if this 10 times 20 times 30 times is not working, why are they adding it here? That is the main question we are asking right here. So which means there's no point subscribing to this app, and this thing costs money. Well, you're coming here to work and earn extra cash. I don't think you should pay if you don't have the money. But if you have the money, you can pay. But people that have already paid are complaining so far, so I don't think you should pay. Ecosystem payout. Let's click on that. So now you're going to see people's withdrawal. So these are the withdrawals people have made on this platform. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to try this out right here. So I'm going to go out and walk. I'm doing this for free. So please, if you really want to appreciate me for my effort, please just join my YouTube community. You can see that join button that you're seeing right there. Click on that join button. Join my YouTube community to appreciate my effort right here. You can actually join with like 750 naira every single month. That's not really that much, but you can join if you actually support my effort. Thank you very much. If you have done that, I really appreciate it. So guys, I'm still testing this particular app. After I walked up to 1,817 steps. The main point is I don't know how much they are going to pay me for this. That is the main thing right here. So it's taking 2 hours for this thing to convert, because if you look, you're going to see that it's actually converting my steps to their currency. Then from there you can withdraw it to an external wallet or something. So I don't really know how much they are going to pay me for this, but anyhow it is, I'm going to let you guys know. Join my Telegram community or join my WhatsApp community. I'm actually going to drop this for you right there.